When we were kids and only had house phones, if your friend called the house to talk to you, they would have to talk to your parents first.
Manners. Hello, good evening, Dacus residence.
Hello, can I speak to Janet?
Who is this?
It's Jonathan.
What kind of course vice pitney this a call me house? But you're out of order. You should say, good evening, Mrs. Dacus. May I speak to Janet, please? You don't say, can I? You say, may I?
Good evening, Mrs. Dacus. May I speak to Janet, please?
So you're Jonathan. From where?
From school.
How old are you? So where you know Janet from? How you get this number? Oh, you is one of Janet's little friend. Hold on a second. Janet!
Yes, mommy.
Somebody is on the phone to you. You clean your room as yet? Or it's still dirty?
Yes, mommy, I clean my room.
What do you? So how you doing? How are your parents? You doing well in school? Okay. Didn't you call Janet just half an hour ago? Why you calling so often? How much you came last term? You don't have any homework to go and do. Where is your parents? They allow you to call. Your mother, is it she that was the brown lady that was at the PTA meeting last week? Yvette Williams. She was saying a lot of things. It's a good lady. She talk a lot. So what does your father do for a living? Oh, he work by Kirkvine right down by Williamsfield right there.
Hi, Jonathan.
Oi! Me case I finish use the phone. Me need to call your auntie.
But mommy, I just go on the phone.
What do you mean by you just go on the phone? You know what is true? Go and take up your book. Right.